Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are on our Common Park project, and we are adding a bunker-sized basement to an existing home. I know what you're going to say. There are no basements in Texas because that's where we are. But that's not true. Let's go down and take a look. In the past, this is a job that we would have totally done by hand. But now our equipment is small enough to be able to get into this very, very small, tight area. We've had to extend this gas line, as you imagine. We put in that I-beam that you see sticking out, give it some support, lift it up on both sides, and we have just hit our depth. And right now we are excavating to take out the dirt. That's a fun ride machine. So far, what you see is taking us about 5 days. Normally, by hand, it would have taken us about 2 weeks to get to this point. Maybe 2.5 weeks, depending on if we hit any stiff soil. And right now, this part of the clay on this part of Houston is really, really thick. I mean, it's barely wants to break. So the drainage on this one is going to have to be extreme because we know that we're going to experience water. So if we go down another foot, we will be where it will fill up with water. So we're going to stop here and we'll place everything and then put in our drains and put in our sump, and then we will take down the last foot. But what you're looking at will be finished by early in the morning. We'll start using that extra soil that you see right here to rebuild this wall. We are having a ball. Let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.